Hello everyone, it's very nice to see you guys again in this semester and in social work it's O2. My name is Junfeng Cao. The pronunciation is like drink without K. And currently I'm in China and I'm teaching treating trauma in Chongqing University, Chongqing Technology and Business University. It's a very new course for MSW students here, so I'm trying to bring what I learned from US, from Widener, and to my students here. For this course, I really like cognitive research more than quantitative, because I'm not a cognitive person. It's too difficult for me. But I like qualitative because there are ethnography that I used in my paper before, and I'm still working on some study of this qualitative research. So what I want to get out of the class, I want to get more professional qualitative research study and better understanding of what I can do for my future research. And for two things what I want to talk. This is a very challenging year for all of us. In China, COVID-19 is like bring back again, so especially recently it's Chinese New Year days, so what I can do is like not meet a big group of people together, because this is both safe for me and them. Also, I'd like to make more conversation with you guys or my friends online, and I think that could help like emotionally support. We can support each other and we can talk. And that's it what I want to say. So it's very glad to work with you guys again.